Find the y-intercept of y equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, and this is the solution. Set x equal to 0. Okay, then now y equals 0 cubed minus 2 times 0 squared minus 5 times 0 plus 6. Okay, so lahat ng x pinalitan ng 0. And then 0 cubed is 0. So negative 2 times 0 squared is 0. Negative 5 times 0 is 0 plus 6. Then y is equal to positive 6. Okay, therefore, our y-intercept is positive 6. Okay, or simply kung ano yung constant ng function, yun yung y-intercept. Okay, since the y-intercept of the given function y equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 6, this means the graph will also pass through point 0, 6.